Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm posting lesson 8.6, but the connected video that I shared with you doesn't explain a part of the lesson. So I just want to go over that part with you before you start the assignment, just so you can have some clarification and you won't get confused. So I'm just going to review a basic perimeter problem to start with. So remember that to find the perimeter, you have to add up all the sides of the shape. This is a rectangle, which means you have to add up 4 numbers, but they only give you 2. Now, in the past, a few of you students have given me answers where you just add up these 2 numbers and say, oh, the perimeter is 9. But no, boys and girls, remember, you have to add up 4 sides, okay? So you have to add up side plus side plus side plus side, okay? Now, if this length measures 6 meters, how long is this length over here? Hopefully you said 6 meters or thought it, okay? So that's one of the missing numbers. And now I have to find this missing number. Well, if this side measures 3 meters, I know that this side also measures 3 meters. And voila, you have your 4 numbers. Okay, so now I'm going to add 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. Now you can add in any order that you want. And then I know that 6 plus 6 is 12 and plus another 6 is 18. So my answer is 18. Now, the problems in the assignment are not all this easy. You're going to be using fractions to add fractions, but there are also questions that don't give you both of the sides. They just give you one side and then they give you the perimeter. So I just want to go over how to solve this type of problem. So this side measures 2 1/10. So I know that this side over here also measures 2 1/10, right? Okay. Now I know that all 4 sides together add up to 10 8/10. So how much is my length? Well, I'm gonna start by adding the 2 numbers that are given to me, or the 2 numbers that I know. Okay, so 2 1/10 plus 2 1/10 is 4 2/10. Do you see that? I'm gonna take the total perimeter, 10 8/10, and I'm gonna subtract that number. I'm gonna subtract 4 2/10, and that equals 6 6/10. Oops, 6 6/10. But 6 6/10 has to be divided by 2 because this 6 6/10 is this side and this side together. So now I just have to divide this number by 2. Well, I know that half of 6 is 3, and half of 6/10 is 3/10. And this side over here is also 3 3/10. See? Now, if I added these 4 numbers all together, I should get 10 8/10. Okay? I'm going to do one more example with you guys together before I send you off to work. You can repeat the video a couple of times if you need to. Please don't guess and put any answers, boys and girls, because I can tell when you're trying and I can tell when you're just putting in any numbers, okay? All right, so with this one, we're going to find what the width is. They gave us the length and they give us the total perimeter. So I know that this side is also 5 2/8. I didn't write a unit of measurement. It could be yards, feet, meters, centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to add the 2 numbers that I know. 5 2/8 plus 5 2/8 equals 10 4/8, right? And then I have to subtract. I'm going to subtract the total perimeter, 10 6/8 minus 10 4/8, which is 2/8. Okay, now I'm going to just write it a little bit bigger in the middle. Now this side plus this side equals 2/8. So what would one side measure? Hopefully you thought 1/8. And this side would be then 1/8. Okay? So my answer, they're gonna ask you what is the width. The width of one side is 1/8. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that this helps you with the assignment a little bit more clear than just the connected video, but watch both, and good luck today. Try your best. Bye.